Alright, now in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how that we can add some new links into our blog roll. Okay, and really what a blog roll is, it's just links. It's an area for links on your site. So what we want to do, okay, is you see those right here, it says links. So if we just click on links, you can see, our website now is showing all these different things, and I truthfully, I don't want any of them there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select them all, and I'm going to delete. I'm going to delete them all. Now that I've done that, I'm going to add some new blog roll links. And this could be my friend's site. And then now the description, you see that description is going to be shown when someone hovers over the link in the blog roll, or optionally below the link. I can decide, what do I want to do? Do I want it to open in a new window or a tab? I want it to open in a new window for sure. It can say, hey, is this family? Is it a geographical? You can decide if I met this person. Is this a friend, an acquaintance? None. It's another web address. Is this one of your own web addresses? You can add in images. You can also add an RSS address. I'm not going to use any of that. I just want it very simple. Okay. And then right over here we can just click add link. Now you'll see when we refresh this, my blog roll is now my friend's site. And you can see when I hover over that, this is the best search engine out there, which is Google. Google is my friend. Of course they are. So you can add in a whole bunch of links there. We can name this anything you want. Nifty blogging software. And we can link right to WordPress if we wanted to. We'll just put that in there. Go ahead, click add link, and you can see once again, when we refresh this page, that's added onto there. Okay, a lot of times you might use this if you do a link swap with someone where they say, hey, I'll add your link to my site if you add my link to your site. So this is a good place that you can put them right in that blog roll. I will see you in the next video.